How to enable or disable full screen mode in Google Chrome web browser. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first step is you can use shortcut key that is F11 on your keyboard. To exit, you can easily use F11 key again in order to disable full screen mode in Google web browser. Simply, if this step doesn't work for your window, you can easily follow the second step, that is, launch web browser or Google Chrome web browser on your device. Now click on three dots at top right. From this menu, select full screen icon and then you will successfully enable full screen mode in Google Chrome web browser. In order to disable that, you can easily click on the top with the arrow and click on this X button and this will successfully disable your full screen mode in Google Chrome web browser. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.